Here are Mary's kittens.
How do they look to you? I mean, in your medical
Oh, they look beautiful. They look very healthy.
Now, Mama feels like she can leave them more. I've noticed her leaving them more, but she always comes back. It's like they get a feeling.
Sure. Their eyes are open now, but of course they're kind of sleepy.
Well, let's see, its day is the 9, 10, they're about 12 days old.
Okay, 12 days old. Look at them. Precious. Oh, they're beautiful. Let me see if I can come down. Oh.
Come on, guys.
Oh, look.
Come on, little guys. Come on, little guys. They all seem pretty healthy.
They do. Look at that. Oh, their eyes are open.
Yeah. Well, come on, take a look at the camera.
Look at that.
Look at the camera. Yeah. Look at the camera. And you here.
They are precious.
What is this little guy? And what is this little guy? Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Oh, they're darling. Have you named them?
Oh, God, no. I mean, maybe we'll try to find homes for them. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen.
Okay, say goodbye to the camera. Bye, guys.